Curtains? You like swinging in the curtains?
Nina's getting ready for breakfast. And Cal is already eating breakfast. And Mommy made the breakfast. It's over there somewhere. Nina just brought this over to me because she says she wants to eat more. You sure you want to eat more?
Eat more.
Okay. So far she's tasted the macaroni and cheese and 1 pea and 1 carrot. It's just really hot, so I'm trying to blow it or cool it down before she eats it. She fought us so much to open this thing. You want macaroni? Be careful. Careful, baby. It's really hot, okay? Yes. Here's the macaroni and cheese. You don't like the macaroni and cheese? You want to try the peas and carrots again?
Yeah.
Oh, you want the macaroni?
Yeah.
You want the peas and carrots?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. No, it's hot in there. It's hot in there. Here.
That.
Yes, that's the peas and carrots. There you go. Bite, bite, bite. It's cooled down enough where I'm gonna let her play with it, but it's still kind of hot. But she had another piece of macaroni and another piece of pea. I don't think she'll be able to finish the whole thing since she already had some breakfast, but she said she was still hungry. Cal is being a crazy baby right now. He's being very vocal and violent. Of course, never when I get the camera ready, because he wants to pose for the camera.
Been doing this with the welcome?
Cal is asleep, and Nina's getting ready for sleep with a bottle. But she did have some food today. And she pee-peed in the potty like a good girl. High five, Nina. You pee-pee in the potty.
Mommy.
So, how long have we been together?
6 years, 7 years?
No.
Robert and I have been together for 7 years-ish.
No.
And this is the first time he's made something.
That's not true. I used to make breakfast sandwiches for you all the time. You thought they were yummy. And I showed you my secret for making it taste good. Do you remember?
This is the first time he's made lunch in 7 years.
I used to make my breakfast sandwiches for lunch and breakfast. Nina is cleaning up, but because she doesn't want Cal playing with her Lego Duplos. Which I'm not sure why, because he's gonna inherit them anyway. There you go. She's climbed all the way up. She's being a little afraid of slides lately. I wonder if something happened with Mommy.
Ready?
No, not this way. That way. That way is down. No, that's up. This is down. Sit. Good job. There you go. There you go. I'm holding. Whee! This is a slide tunnel. Here, I'm gonna... Okay, it's a slide tunnel. You wanna slide in there? Okay, hold my hand.
He's really off and gone like a flash here.
Yeah.
Even since the last time I saw you, like last week, he just seems to be really like.
Sit down.
Yeah, he's quick. No. Runs. And he's been running.
Want me to help? Want me to help you sit? Alright, you want to slide down this side? Yay! There you go. It'll be a couple of times before she gets back into it. Now on your butt. Oh, that's not sliding. I wonder why she's so scared of heights now. She used to be fine before.
He does high fives and five. Okay.
I've been keeping Nina on ball retrieval. Keeps her busy. In a safe way. No, use your hands.
Say hi, Thomas.
We're back here. It's actually the third time. But it did get a lot more crowded outside, so, and we only have 5 minutes left. So I figured I'd let her get some water. Nina just made a brand new sentence up, which no one's ever taught her. It's, I got water up my nose. Or I got water in my nose. That's what she said. That last one was a good one. Do you remember what it's called?
Yeah.
Yes, that's a step, but the whole thing is an escalator. Okay, ready? We're gonna jump. 1, 2, 3, jump! That wasn't a jump, that was a pull by Daddy. That wasn't very good. Let's go find the carousel, Nina. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? This is what she's looking at. Daddy's riding the horse. First time Daddy rides the horse with Nina. Those are plastic hands and feet.
5.
Yes, 5.
And 4.
Hey, come on, let's go.
And 5.
Yes, don't touch. Let's go.
That's 5.
Got back home. Nina fell asleep in the car, of course. But Mommy wasn't ready. And I also don't think she was able to finish cleaning the guest room. And our guests were there. So I decided to just take Nina back out for a long walk. And hope that I can keep her asleep. Mommy can get done what she needs to get done. And my headache goes away.
Daddy had to go drop off a guest. And Nina woke up to no Daddy in the house and was very sad. Very sad. But now she's watching TV. She's a little better.
A penguin. It's not a penguin. It's a penguin. What's that? Oh! There's no more bells. Alright. It's OD.
Telling him a secret.
Long distance secrets. Again. Okay, this way. Where's Nina? It's like I'm 9 months pregnant with a dinosaur. Oh.
That's it.
There she is. You don't have underwear on yet. Keep your shirt on. It's dinner time. Kind of late. Cal is eating bananas and lots of little snacks that he's picking up with his little fingers.
Pincers.
And Nina is having also snacks and applesauce. I would say that we found something that Nina likes because she's insisting on feeding herself. But she's very fickle, so she's probably gonna hate this tomorrow. But she's very fickle, so she's probably gonna hate this tomorrow. Good job. She can almost do it on her own. She doesn't have enough practice. She did it before better. She doesn't even know what she wants. Sponge? Well, it's a little late. 9 o'clock. Cal is right about to fall asleep, and things kind of didn't work out the way that we wanted. I would have wanted her to bathe and get to bed and start reading books before Cal, and have Cal bathe while she's reading books.
Oh, Dr. Spots.
But he was just really sleepy today. And I ended up going to bed before Nina was finished with her bath. So now we're out here, hoping that he falls asleep soon. Hoping that he falls asleep soon so that we can go in and I'll try to read her books very quietly. But as you can hear, she's not being very helpful. Nina, do you want to say goodnight? Say goodnight. Nina. Nina, come. You want the sponge? Say goodnight. Okay, now. Stand still. Okay, say goodnight.
Goodnight.
Now press the button. Kids fell asleep rather easily last night and pretty much slept through the night. Cal woke up twice, Nina woke up once. Wasn't too bad. Good night, Nina. Good night, Cal. We love you. Bye.